concrete on the sporty surface. It's raining, that's why we set up the tent. See here, I have this oven surface. You see the rebar of this one was 12 mm. And we have also this barbecue area. We have also 12 mm that we use in here. This one working surface in the front. So at the moment, my worker is mixing another set of concrete that they're gonna pour in here. So we have a typhoon in the Philippines. Actually, I don't have plan to pour a concrete, but when I woke up this morning, because I was a little bit late, as yesterday is a lot of rain. Then this morning, I see my worker who is starting their work already, and they're starting to pour a concrete already. So I can't cancel anymore as we started to pour already a concrete. So hopefully the rain will stop in a little bit and we can continue the work. But even it's raining, we will just cover this one with a tent maybe, so it will not, you know, ruin the concrete at all. They are there now. We will set up now the second part of the concrete that we need to pour in there. As the mixer is a little bit, there is a problem a while ago, so they need to fix it first before they're gonna start to mix another concrete. It's a lot of mess, guys. The weather is, this one is a little bit bad. So my mini Roscoe is bringing some sand to mix. Guys, we are down to November 14. They are now doing some plaster around this kitchen outside. Okay, I'm asking them to put some groove. They called it groove. This is outside, they're plastering now. So here they're done here, so that's the finishing for outside. This is how they did it. Now he's pouring some powder cement for the finishing. Okay, so it's November 16. Update for the kitchen outside. I bought some broken tiles to use here, as this one is just a kitchen outside. It's not that necessary that we will put that expensive tiles on it. So now they're putting upper wall for that, using for the roof. Here they're putting some form for the top bar. I also put some top bar in that side, and here in the front also. So I put also black broken tiles here in this side. I use all the broken tiles that we had left. And here they finished to form this one for the roofing later. So tomorrow they're gonna pour concrete in this area.
You like?